For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manzin. It's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at this morning's gap in Broadcom. This is ticker symbol AVGO. And we see we had a big move. Stock gapped up about 10 bucks. Second bar of the session got you into the trade just below the low of the first 5-minute bar. And you had a couple places to look for a logical profit target on this one, right? So your Fibonacci got you down to about 143.78. That's the 150% expansion, but then the stock just kept going. You guys who were in the first hour trading pit this morning should have been looking at 141.37, wondering if it was going to get down there. But when it found support just above that is when Julie came up with these other lines. And you might be looking at these thinking, well, where the heck did these come from? And how did these get you out of the trade? So what I'd like to show you is a 25-tick reversal. Most of you who have been to boot camp remember that Julie likes to use 25-tick bars as her support and resistance exits. These really work very, very well, complementing what we're doing with the Baltimore Chop Opening Gaps. And what we see here is a classic move, right? We had this giant move lower, this big waterfall move, got us all the way down to 141.77, didn't quite make it to that intraday pivot line. But on the way down, you can see this stair-step progression that I was talking about at the Traders Expo, right? So 25-tick data tends to move like this, where you get real nice little support and resistance areas. And then what we're doing is always looking back 2 lines for our exit. So when you get down into 142.08, you come back up, you violate the 142.36 line and the 142.70 line. And that winds up taking you out of the position. Compare that to just the raw Fibonacci number, 143.78, and you made about an extra buck per share on the position by using the 25-tick data to control your exit. Still left a little bit of money on the table, but that's okay. We don't care. As long as we're disciplined about what we're doing, we know we've got our situation under control. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@TraderInsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for Monday. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.